Hi there and welcome to Hyundai Power Equipment. My name's Adrian and this is the Hyundai HYCH7070 wood chipper. Great bit of kit and it'll chip wood up to about 70mm diameter. Okay, let's get on with it, get it started up and chip some wood. Okay, so as you can see, we've converted all that garden waste and branches and what have you into useful chips. As you say, you can compost it, you can do all sorts with this stuff, but we've reduced it from that great mass down to just simply a bag of chips. Okay, I've been Adrian. This has been the Hyundai HYCH7070 wood chipper. As I said, it'll take up to 70mm diameter. It's got a powerful 4-stroke engine, 4-stroke petrol. It's versatile, it's got wheels, you can move it around from place to place. So for all those big gardening jobs, along with the rest of the range of the Hyundai Power Equipment gardening machinery, we've got every tool to get the job done. Okay, I've been Adrian and happy chipping.